In today's video, we are going to be learning how to properly draft a princess dart bustier. I know I've done something like this on the channel before, but this is a more explained and updated version. My name is Winnie and you're welcome back to the channel. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, keep on watching, like my videos, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new tutorial. And without too much talking, let's get to the honey of the video. Let's go.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
The truth is, I was already drafting before I thought of doing this tutorial again, so that explains why you can see faint lines of pencils on my paper. But we're going to be starting all over. So what I'm doing now is that I'm marking out my horizontal measurements, the waistline, the bust point, the under bust, and the chest line. Alright, so that is your under bust. Then this is my bust point, and that is my hip line or blouse length line. Alright, so once all of this is done, what I'm doing next is to mark my shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus half inch. Then I'm going to also mark my armhole depth, which will also serve as my chest line. I hope you understand now. So what I'm doing next is that I'm marking out the midpoint of my armhole depth, and then from there I came out by about half inch. And then on that chest line, I'm going to mark my bust measurement divided by 4, and I'm going to connect those 3 points together. That is what is going to form my armhole curve. Alright, so once that is done, I marked out my neck width of 3 inches and I slanted my shoulder by 1 inch. You already know how we do that. So the next thing I'm going to be marking out is my bust span measurement. So that's my nipple to nipple divided by 2 plus half inch. So I drew that into a straight line from the hip line up to the chest line, and I also labeled the center front and the side front. So at the part that is the center front, you are going to come out by 1/2 inch, and at the part that is at the side front, you are going to come out by 1.5 inch. All right, the smaller side you come out by ½ inch, the bigger side you come out by 1.5 inch. Then at the bust point, just go downwards by ½ inch, and then you connect with a curve just like we do our bustier normally. You see that is looking like what you've seen before. So the next thing is to measure what you have at the armhole area. Measure the midpoint of that armhole area, mark it out, and now you are going to connect that curve from the bust point to the midpoint of the armhole that you just measured out. Alright, so I'm just trying to get a perfect curve, and then I connected it. As you can see, it's already looking like a breast, so that is why it is called a princess dart bustier. It goes all the way to the armhole, and yet it forms the bustier. So at that line on the armhole part, I went out on both sides by ½ inch, and then I'm going to be connecting that into a curved line, just as you can see me do. So we're almost done. So now that dart that we took, the 1 inch dart that we took, we have to replace it so that our princess dart will not be shorter. So I'm just extending that line straight like that, just as this coming, I extended straight, and then I went out by 1 inch. That's the dart that we took. Then I'm going to be connecting that to the bust point, the bust measurement that we did earlier, and that will be our new armhole. Alright, so the former one is the one I cancelled. We are no longer using it. So the next thing to do is to shape your horizontal measurement or your circumference. So you are going to divide your bust divided by 4. So you are going to measure what you have. When you get to the first dart leg, you jump it, you continue taking your measurement, you mark it, then you add your allowance. When you get to the waist, you do the same thing. Measure your waist divided by 4, whatever you get. When you get to the first dart leg, you jump, you continue your measurement, and then you mark your measurement, and you also add your allowance. So for the hip line, I'm just connecting the line like so. So now for the waist, we have 4 inches here. I'm jumping it, starting from that 4 inch again on the second dart leg. Then I'll mark my waist divided by 4 and also add my allowance. So there's no dart at the hip area. You're just going to mark your hip straight, and then you're also going to add your 2 inches allowance or whatever allowance that you want to use. So after all of that is done, I'm just going to connect with a curved line or straight line. Just make sure that your lines are not too edgy. All right, then after that, I'm marking out my neck width of 3.5 inches. I want it to be a bit wider, then my neck depth of 3.5 inches also, and I'm going to connect that into my neckline curve. I like using my free hand for that, so that is why I'm doing that. So once all of this is done, now the next thing is to cut. I want you to watch how I am cutting, because if you do any mistake here, you can actually get everything wrong. So watch how I am cutting my own, and also do the same for yours. Don't make any mistakes. All right, so just cut carefully all through. If you are enjoying this tutorial, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to answer all your questions, and I'll be more than glad to also take your compliments. I like to know if this video was helpful, because that is what keeps me going. Okay, and if you are new to my channel and you are not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. Thank you very much. I'm just labeling those parts that is meant to be on fold and everything, and this is how it looked. I am going to be cutting this on my fabric and joining it. I'm sorry that I could not show the sewing tutorial. There was no time on my hand to do that. So this was what I formed with my own. This was the Princess that Bustier. I just went ahead to do some paparazzi in front because that was what the clients wanted. Thank you. Till I see you in the next one. I love you and I care. Bye.